Center and Tucson Fire are providing local businesses with Narcan and other anti-overdose medication.
News 4 Tucson's Isabella Fredrickson is live with more on their efforts to help areas experiencing high drug use. Isabella.
Sean and Monica, we all know that fentanyl is a big problem that is ruining the lives of people and families everywhere. Right here in Tucson, 3 different groups from our community got together on Monday, which is recognized as National Fentanyl Prevention and Awareness Day, to do what they could for our community. These people tell me that they are doing all that they can to put an end to this crisis. Tucson Collaborative Community Care, known as TC-3 for short, is a collaboration between Tucson Medical Center and Tucson Fire Department. They work together to educate, provide resources, and help the community in emergency situations.
The National Fentanyl Awareness Day, we figured it was a good day to go out there and do an outreach for Narcan. So yesterday, along with some collaborative teams that we normally work with, TPD and Tucson Medical Center, we got together and went out to focus on hitting businesses who are in the areas are hit pretty hard right now with drug usage.
According to the Pima County Medical Examiner's Office, which includes data from Pima, Santa Cruz, and Cochise counties, there have been over 1,200 deaths linked to the deadly drug fentanyl since 2021. TC-3 used their share data to determine the best places to visit, which included the Speedway corridor between Alvernon and Wilmont.
In certain areas of town, they've noticed higher numbers. So what we did as a team is we focused on the area of businesses who are seeing a higher number of overdoses, where the individual businesses are calling 911 more.
RN nurse Joyce Strohs says that providing education is just as important as providing resources and can be the thing that saves someone's life.
The education is key, so they feel comfortable with administering the Narcan and understanding how to give it, what are the resources, how do they call 911, what signs and symptoms to look at. So that's one of the things that we're very passionate about, is doing education to the community, so they feel comfortable.
TC-3's community outreach on Monday was a success, as they ended up visiting 101 businesses in our area, as well as giving out 248 doses of the life-saving drug. TC-3 uses their shared data to determine which areas were best to visit, which includes the corridor on Speedway between Wilmont and Alvernon. Reporting live from Midtown, Isabella Fredrickson, News 4 Tucson.